San Agustin Church, Paway, Ilocos Norte. UNESCO World Heritage Site, Church of San Agustin, Pawi, Ilocos Norte. One of the 4 Baroque churches of the Philippines, inscribed in 1993 on the World Heritage List pursuant to the Convention concerning the protection of world cultural and natural heritage. So heto po siya, inside niya. And of course, the San Agustin Church, Pawi, Ilocos Norte. So panahon siya ng Spanish era. Ang ganda niya. Ayan siya. Okay. In front of the plaza, in front of San Agustin Church. So pasukin natin. Baroque style. Ganda. So isa sa mga national heritage of the Philippines. Okay. Worth to visit at Ilocos Norte.
Ang piyesta sa anong church? August anong church?
Okay, buhay sa inyong lahat. In front of Pawi Church. Sa Pawi tayo ngayon, Ilocos Norte. And ito ang plaza. Yan. Okay, Lord Institute. So ito ang kanilang plaza. Okay, Pawi Church.